It's not about making a product, it's about making something so special for the future. It's timeless, it's going to go on forever, but you've got to be the guardian of that and take it on.
In a world of mass production, I think that everybody feels like something's being taken from them. And so they seek products that are authentically crafted by artisans. When they touch and feel the product, feel that there is something truly special because there's an artisan that actually created this product.
One of the fantastic things for me is the Rowe family getting involved in the business. We share exactly the same ideas and the same ethics and ideology. So we went out and established the business and set it as a solid platform.
There's something I think intrinsic that goes to what makes Perrin and Rowe truly special. The craftsmanship, the heritage. I think that the people love this product because it speaks to an inner beauty within all of us. They were focusing on authentically crafted or authentically designed English tapware, faucets, but using 21st century technology. But they truly wanted to create a collection that was not only timeless, but rivaled the very best products made in the world.
Yes, we've moved on massively in terms of technology. We have better systems, we have all those controls. But the one thing I always wanted to maintain and managed to hold on to was this family atmosphere that we're all in it together and we're all going to make it successful together. And people on the factory floor are now realising that. We have a number of people that are unique in the industry now. They're the last people left. And we've got to nurture them, bring them on, look after them, and find support for them in the future. Tamworth, our sanitary ware facility, have a young lady that works there called Lisa. She's probably the last one in the industry that understands how to take raw pottery in its green clay state and turn it into a perfect product ready for firing. And that's an art that is so special and so underrated in the industry, but is totally unique.
I think intrinsic or understanding, it's almost genetically expressed in these artisans, where generations upon generations have worked with these materials and understand it, have a deep understanding of it.
If I go to our Wolverhampton plant in the Midlands, which is really the heart of heavy metal brassware industry, iron ore brassware, and you can go into a casting plant, which is one of the few in our industry left, and people have been there since the beginning of the business, but also for many, many years before. So you've got grandfather right the way round to the grandson now working in the industry, and I think if I pick on one particular person, would be Peter in the casting plant. His brother works in the industry as well. So again, it's a family business, but they've been in it for 20 years plus, and you can tell that they want to stay in the industry, they want to keep going in the industry. They would love their sons or daughters to come into the industry. So again, it's just a nice experience to really understand that it means so much to these guys, and that they want the industry to continue.
And just like we see in the finest watches manufactured in the world, or some of the most beautiful jewelry, we see it in our products as well, in these products.
If you send parts out somewhere else, they have to have a tolerance to work to and open those tolerances up. So when the product comes back together, it's never got that feel or fit or function. It just feels like something's been made as opposed to something's been crafted. And we've ended up with something that's so special that Rowe in America saw that, they understand it, they have the same passion as I do for UK manufacturing or for manufacturing generally, and they want to keep that alive because nobody else is doing it. It's just so special to what we have.
I think that there is almost, to use a philosophical term, almost a self-actualization that occurs when people come in contact with Perrin Rowe and these products. And that obviously has been our mission, is to find products, to seek products that deliver on this quality and at this level, and truly contribute to this desire that people have to curate an environment that's special, that's unique, that's personal. It's like finding, a rare gemstone or a historical art piece that maybe you thought didn't exist, or if it did, it was very hard to find. So we found that in Perrin Rowe, which is very exciting for us, because we think that we're able to introduce that to the world and say, hey, this still exists, it's out here, and you get to experience it, enjoy it.